Guys, Czar here, back with you. Hope all is well. There's my first trade of the day. I'll clear that off in a second. But while I was posting that trade, I see this setup right here, guys. A break and a retest of the open range on the lower end of the spectrum, shall I say. And this is looking awfully bearish here all of a sudden, guys. Potential body flip on the daily. Let me just get this eked out here. There we go. So sell stop order, guys, live. This would be my second trade of the day. Let me clear out the first one there. That one did quite well, 1.5 hour. And 3 out of the 4 models either made money or broke even. And the one model, the 2 hour all or nothing, took a 1 hour charge on that one. Now looking for a sell stop to be executed here, guys, into this fresh zone, fairly fresh zone right here. And then I'd be looking for it to drop all the way down in here. Remembering that this is not a particularly strong area, guys. In fact, I'm going to take away this zone marker because that happened in between sessions, right? This is when the market is closed. Regular trading hours don't actually open until 8 o'clock here for the Asian session. I know that Australia opens a bit earlier, but the main session begins here. And so the big important zone is this one right down here. And I'll just paste this so you can see that we would be very much inside of that. These wicks down here and these bodies. For the full 2R here, guys. This is only if we break down, right? This is a live order, but it's not a live trade, as you can see. In fact, guys, I'm going to get even more aggressive on this and drop below this wick here. This is looking very toppy with these 2 big rejection wicks. Stop just above these 2 candles here, essentially just inside the bottom of the open range. And that means I can tighten my targets just a little bit here. And that sometimes makes all the difference. Here we go. So you'll notice that I originally had my entry down here until we moved all the way back up, tagged that 21, and then put in this behavior here, weakening and grinding below and on the 9 EMA. Which is now headed south again, squeezing up in towards the 21. Hopefully that all makes sense to you guys. This kind of waning grind higher, failed attempting higher. These 2 candles are key for me. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ here this morning at 10:19 a.m. after being long the NASDAQ for a nice winning trade. Let's see if we can do this thing again, shall we? Now it's all about patience. And the first target has been hit, so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability, and the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has now moved their stop to break even and locked in a sure no lose. So it's just the 1.5 and the 2 hour all or nothing traders now looking to make some money on this trade as well. Alright guys, so we have moved all the way back up here to my original entry, and so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out because we hit 1R, and so they have a 0 result on this one. And now it's the 1.5R and 2R all or nothing traders looking to see if we're going to resume down or not, or if they're going to take a charge. But the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. I'll bring you back. All right, guys, and so target 2 has been hit, so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability as well. And there it is, guys. And so the 1 hour all or nothing trader made full profits. The 1.5 hour all or nothing trader made full profits. The 2 hour all or nothing trader made full profits. The only trader that didn't make any money, was break even, was the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour right there. Thanks for joining me here today, guys. Appreciate it. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.